Since the turn of the century, technology has rapidly evolved, turning what were once dreams into everyday realities. Reflecting on past innovations, I became curious about the next 30 years and explored what life might look like in 2050. Here's what I found. Over the years, scientists have made incredible strides in nanotechnology, discovering countless innovative applications. By 2050, experts predict nanobots could be integrated into our brains, connecting us seamlessly to the virtual world via brain-computer interface technology. This fusion of mind and machine could make humans powerful beings with instant access to limitless information and solutions. Gadgets like phones and calculators might become obsolete, and for future students, math could cease to be a universal challenge. 3D printing has already revolutionized industries, but by 2050, it will take a giant leap forward. Imagine printing large objects like furniture, vehicles, or even food right from your home. With accessible and affordable 3D printers, this technology could address global issues such as hunger, opening up infinite possibilities. The medical field might see the eradication of death itself. With advancements in brain-computer interface technology, memories and information from the human brain could be uploaded and preserved in advanced humanoid robots, allowing great minds to continue their contributions indefinitely. Additionally, diseases like cancer may become curable. However, such breakthroughs may initially be expensive, delaying access for the broader population. Transportation in 2050 will be transformed. Self-driving cars, already under development by companies like Tesla, will become fully automated, reducing traffic accidents and freeing up time for passengers. Elon Musk's Hyperloop project could revolutionize public transport by introducing high-speed, electromagnetic levitation trains. These advancements, combined with renewable energy sources, could significantly reduce harmful emissions. As global challenges like climate change persist, renewable energy will take center stage. Companies are already exploring solar, wind, and ocean thermal energy, aiming to phase out fossil fuels entirely. This shift will be crucial to mitigating environmental problems and ensuring a sustainable future. Space exploration may provide solutions to Earth's challenges. By 2050, companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin aim to establish human colonies on other planets, with space tourism becoming a reality for the wealthy. While initially exclusive, advancements in technology could eventually make space travel more accessible. Artificial intelligence will continue to develop, surpassing human processing power and transforming the workforce. Many jobs will become automated, forcing a shift in career landscapes. Education will adapt, with digital and AI-powered learning becoming mainstream. Online degrees and virtual schools will make education more accessible, though the personal touch of teachers may be replaced by robotic instructors. The Metaverse, a virtual environment powered by AI, will offer fully immersive experiences, from shopping to virtual travel, all from the comfort of home. While this level of connectivity is exciting, it raises questions about how it might affect human interaction. Cash transactions will likely vanish by 2050, replaced entirely by digital payments and AI-driven financial systems. Automated appliances like pantries and refrigerators will handle grocery shopping, making daily tasks even more convenient. Homes will become fully automated, sensing moods and responding without commands. Interactive hologram TVs will replace traditional screens, and nanotechnology could allow you to control devices with your mind. While this vision of 2050 might seem like a leap, many of these advancements are already in development today. It's a fascinating exercise in imagination. And though not all of these predictions may come true, they're not far-fetched. One thing is certain: the world will look vastly different in the coming decades.